What's up, guys? Seek Adventure here. Today, we're taking a look at my newest rig, the Overlandish Basecamp Solo. If you're a weekend warrior or part-time adventurer looking to ditch your rooftop tent, this is the perfect setup for you. Let's dive in. You're either rocking a rooftop tent, thinking about overlanding, or don't know where to start. The truth is, rooftop tents can be pricey and not the best bang for your buck. That's why today I'm going to be breaking down why the Overlandish Basecamp and Basecamp Solo are a great option for your weekend warriors and part-time adventurers. Rooftop tents are expensive. They can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000. And that's not adding the roof rack. For part-time adventurers, the ground tents from Overlandish are the best bang for your buck. Rooftop tents limit the use of your vehicle. Once the rooftop tent is deployed and you want to go into town, you have to pack everything up. The Basecamp is a standalone shelter. Deploy and take your vehicle anywhere you want. Rooftop tents setup and takedown can be a hassle. Some models are quick, like the hard shell tents. But if you get a soft shell tent, setup's going to take a while. Rooftop tents are heavy and they affect fuel economy. A rooftop tent usually weighs somewhere between 100 and 300 pounds. The Basecamp can fit in the bed of your truck or in the back seat. And they're easy to store when not in use. Rooftop tents have limited living space, and they're usually pretty small on the inside. It is just a sleeping area. It's basically a $3,000 bed. The Basecamp has tons of room for activities. I'm 6 foot and I can stand up fine on the inside. Rooftop tents are loud when it's windy. The Basecamp can handle up to 85-mile-an-hour winds. The Basecamp is a no-brainer. Today's the first day I've had it set up. It's set up in a matter of minutes. I was able to get my cot, my sleeping bag, my sleeping pad. I have tons of storage underneath my cot. I have a small camp chair set up. I need to get a small table for the inside so I can edit on it. But other than that, the setup's perfect for what I need it for. Now, let's go take a look. All right, guys, here's the setup. First, I'm going to take you around the 24 Tacoma TRD Off-Road. I have a video out of the top 4 modifications if you're interested. Take a look. But for those of you that haven't seen it, here it is. It's the best truck I've ever owned. Taking you around the rear. I like to use the rear end of the trucks as a camp surface and really just utilize the space while I'm at camp. As you can see, I got my dirt bike gear bag, my grill, and a couple of totes. One of the totes has cooking essentials in it. The other one is just general utility items like toilet paper and seasoning and, you know, the essentials for camp. There's the tent. I'll be taking you guys inside in just a sec. I wanted to show you guys the KTM 690 Enduro R, which is the ideal adventure bike. I had a Norden 901. Thing was way too heavy off trail. This thing's perfect. It's got plenty of power. I can rip it on the highway and just about any trail here in Ohio. Taking you over to the tent. This thing is so sick, guys. It's got big ventilation screens on, I don't know, 3 sides of it. There's one here. There's one here. And then the main entrance. They have a screen and then a clear screen on the opposite side of that, just in case it's cold out, but you want to let some sunlight in. It's insulated and blacked out on the interior. Of all the rooftop tents that I've had, this setup's going to be around for a while. Taking you guys inside of the Basecamp Solo. As you can see, I have plenty of room. I got great storage underneath my cot I got from REI. I'm running a Sea to Summit pad and Nemo bag. I've slept in sub-zero temperatures on this setup. It's great. Great for side sleepers. Got great ventilation. Great sunlight as well. And a little bit of room for chilling. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe as I post weekly shorts. And I'm going for 2 badass videos like this a month. Take care, ride safe, and keep having fun. Thanks for watching. Peace!